JD Cap 26 here. It is the Tips and Fairs and Hobbies. And we've got Barnabas Collins of Dark Shadows here. We just finished him up and we sealed him. And I use this cheap .0 airbrush. Pretty good, except if the trigger falls out, it's a pain in the neck to put the trigger back in. But let me tell you, pretty good airbrush. It always works when I go to use it. As long as you keep it clean. So there he is. And I got the duel kit. I got to work on the werewolf next. And Barnabas Collins was portrayed by Mr. Freed, Jonathan Freed, in the series. So I have the that water bottle propping up the bat, glow-in-the-dark bat, and because it's got to dry. There's some putty at the bottom to dry it up. So if you like this video, please subscribe and give me the thumbs up. It really helps my channel, helps me pay for medications that I'm on. And I hope you enjoy all these builds. If you have any repair problems, let me know. I'll see if I can answer your questions to them. And you have a great day. Thanks for watching.